house and a roof. It is a sanctuary of love, a foundation of hope, and a source of strength. By establishing this office, we bring that light closer to families who dream of a place they can truly call their own. This office will stand as a hub of service and innovation. Here, we will work with dedication to ensure that every project reflects our vision to build not just houses, but homes that inspire, homes that nurture, and homes that illuminate the future of our nation. May this office shine as a symbol of our commitment to creating communities filled with hope, dignity, and the enduring light of hope.